Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome, lovely viewers. Imagine a place where luxury and comfort meet in perfect harmony, exclusively welcoming you to a world of opulence. In today's episode, we dive into the majestic Raffles Doha, a 6-star hotel nestled within the iconic Katara Towers. If you've ever dreamt of a senior-friendly luxury getaway, then stay tuned to discover why Raffles Doha should be your next destination in 2024. Just 25 seconds in, let's embark on this journey through the stunning architecture and world-class amenities of Raffles Doha. Located in the heart of Doha, Qatar, this lavish hotel promises a memorable experience, tailored specifically with senior comfort in mind. Known for its unparalleled luxury, Raffles Doha is not just a hotel, it's a 6-star paradise. From the moment you step into its grand foyer, you'll be greeted by warm, friendly staff ready to cater to your every need. The hotel offers a blend of modern elegance and traditional hospitality, ensuring that every guest feels at home. Now let's talk about the suites. Picture this: spacious rooms adorned with exquisite decor, offering panoramic views of the Doha skyline. Each suite is designed with accessibility in mind, ensuring ease of movement and comfort for our mature guests. These features make it a gem among senior travel options. And it doesn't stop there. The hotel boasts an outstanding spa and wellness center, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. Their bespoke wellness programs are tailored for seniors, focusing on relaxation and rejuvenation. From soothing massages to gentle yoga classes, there's a haven of tranquility waiting for you. Raffles Doha also offers a dining experience like no other. Savor gourmet meals crafted by world-class chefs, featuring both international cuisines and local delicacies. Each dish is prepared with the utmost care, ensuring that your dietary preferences and needs are respected. For those who enjoy a splash, the outdoor pool provides a serene oasis. With its accessible designs, it's perfect for a leisurely swim or simply lounging by the water under the beautiful Qatari sun. Beyond the hotel, you can explore Doha's rich cultural scene. Visit nearby attractions such as the Museum of Islamic Art or take a stroll on the Corniche. Raffles Doha offers exclusive tours and transportation, making it easy for seniors to experience the vibrant culture without any hassle. Let's discuss prices. Understanding the importance of value, Raffles Doha offers competitive rates for 2024. The average price for a luxurious stay at this 6-star haven is designed to provide exceptional value for its unmatched quality and senior-friendly services. And keep an eye out. Special promotions are often available, especially for senior guests. In conclusion, Raffles Doha isn't just about luxury. It's about crafting experiences that linger long after your stay. Whether you're seeking rest or adventure, this 6-star retreat promises to exceed your every expectation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of senior-friendly luxury travel, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating travel insights. Until next time, happy travels!